Today I want to take a look at a meeting preparation automation that I built on Relay.app. It's got an AI agent in the middle of it. This is similar to a sample automation that Relay has on their platform already. The difference is that I've integrated an AI agent into the workflow to both check for a LinkedIn profile, and if it doesn't find a profile, instead of stopping, then it'll use Perplexity to search for guest information. So the point of this is to give the meeting organizer an update on external guests and the companies they work for in advance of meetings so that you don't have to do a bunch of meeting research ahead of time. It's done for you, and in this case it comes in direct message to my Roam, but you could have it email or come into your DMs on Teams or whatever platform you use. So let's take a quick look at how this is structured and how it works, and then we'll book a sample meeting and see the output. So this works based on being hooked into my Outlook Microsoft 365 calendar. Every time a meeting is booked that has the Ops Express inquiry subject line, which means that it uses my Roam lobby for booking an inbound meeting, it triggers this. It'll check every 15 minutes for any new ones and then run this based on that. So it passes the meeting information to an AI, which is told to extract any external guest information and output it in this structured format for the next AI agent to use. This AI agent has 4 tools, and there's a prompt that tells the AI agent how to operate. Basically, it's told to search for a LinkedIn profile for the person or people in the meeting that are external, and then try and find the LinkedIn profile. If it can't find a LinkedIn profile, then it'll use Perplexity Sonar to do a web search for that person, and it uses Perplexity to do a company search. So all of these different tools it has to search for and collate this information on external guests to the meeting, and then provide that summary information to you. So the AI agent uses its tools and then outputs a blob of information to this JavaScript, which we then just use to structure the information in the way that Roam, my virtual office, uses direct messages. And the reason for that, there's not a direct native integration with Roam, but you can just use a custom HTTP request to send your responses to Roam. So then we do that. We use the chat.send message endpoint and send the message that we have. Obviously, this is a copy of the actual one because I don't want to show, and you never should show your API keys, but this is the exact way that it works. We'll take a look at it and see what the output message is. So if we go to my lobby and we just pick a random upcoming meeting time, then I'm going to book it based on an external party. So a guy that I've worked with the marketing agency I work with named Stu Carroll. He's their director of growth. So with William Joseph, and if you need some marketing assistance, they're a great agency to work with. So schedule the event. That's going to go ahead and schedule an appointment, and then that's going to trigger the Relay automation to run once it checks my inbox. So let's see what happens when that happens. We'll just wait a bit here. Okay, so that's run through now. It's done the research on the one external guest that we have in the company. So if we go over to our Roam, which has got my direct messages, you can see that I have a new inbound meeting booked, Ops Express inquiry. William Joseph gives you the summary of the company, and then the attendee is Stu Carroll, LinkedIn profile, title, and a brief background. So you could modify the prompt to get more background information or look up for more information about the company, but this is a pretty good overview of an easy tool that helps you effortlessly prepare for meetings. If you have questions about this, feel free to ping me, and I'm happy to provide any of the prompts or code or any of the other steps to somebody who wants to check this out themselves. Thanks.